Today is Monday. It is the first day of the week, and I'm night shift. I just want you to know that I bought yesterday a lightning connector for my iPhone because my iPhone connector was damaged a few days ago. Look, it was gone. So this is a very good brand, but look, even very good brand or expensive one, but it is an expensive one, but it looks like no different. So we just better keep it away and buy a new one. So what I did, I went yesterday to NCCC, the new opened supermarket in MAA, and I bought lightning connector for my iPhone. It's not much expensive. I will not enclose the price because the price is right. So it means right, not right hand, right. The price is right, very reasonable price. So that's the brand. Let's unbox it. We will cut the what color is scotch tape. I have my little bit scissor. Okay, we'll open it. First, there is a manual which we don't want to read. That's it. Very easy to open. This one about 1.5 meters. What is it? Look at the difference. Here no more tips. Here there's the tips. This is only for iPhone unit. So yeah, actually I already tested this and it works very good. So yeah, that's all for today. Unboxing a lightning connector for iPhone. Thank you for watching. Isa.